Let me ask you something. If you go to your Facebook page or Instagram right now and look at the post that you made, does it look like you're a professional and the work that you do comes across? If not, the people that are looking to get work done on their house are gonna see the exact same thing, and they're gonna go right past you and find the next contractor to actually get their job done, because they're looking for the pros to get it done for them. And in today's episode, I'm going to share the 3 organic things that you need to do when it comes to posting on social media so you don't miss out on future business. And by the way, not a single one of these have anything to do with running ads. Rule number 1, show people, not just projects. The before and after pictures are great. You want to show the pictures, the videos of the before and after, but if you don't show your crew, people won't be able to relate with you. Not to mention, it doesn't show as much credibility that you actually have people there working. And the thing is, when you're going into somebody's home working on their house, they want to know that you are clean cut. They want to know that you're not just some trashy business that happens to have a hammer and can go put up a deck, or you can put up some siding. Whatever it is that you do, they don't want somebody that's just going to simply swing a hammer and get the job done. They want to know that they can trust you. And that starts with your appearance and not just the before and afters on the work that you do. And some ways that you can do this is posting pictures of guys on the job site, y'all smiling, having a good time. Some short videos introducing the foreman or yourself, again on the job site, or show yourself possibly with a client walking through that site and testimonials of them, how they felt when you got the job done. Number 2, I alluded to this, but post those before and after photos. Those are detrimental to you actually getting more business. I've even reached out to several contractors about different jobs I wanted to do because I was seeing before and after pictures. I saw the result that those contractors were doing. This needs to be a procedure for you and will be great for your content. Have your team take a before and after picture of what it looks like, and better yet, take a before and after of the job site around the house before and after as well, so people can see that you left it as good, if not better. And of course, if you're using heavy equipment, they want to see that while yes, there's not going to be grass anymore, does it still look nice and orderly? Does it look like it's going to be ready to grow grass here in the next few weeks, depending on the season? And number 3, caption every video. With AI nowadays, with CapCut especially, it's so easy for you to go in and put captions on every single video. By captions on the video, I mean the words that go across the screen, like you're seeing right now on this video. That is important because most viewers, I believe it's about 85 to 90%, in fact, don't listen. They just simply watch and read the text. So they're reading a video. So if you don't have captions on your videos that you're posting, you're missing out on so many people actually watching your content. And the simpler, the better. Sometimes the POV or point of view is a funny thing. Day 1 on job site, you don't have to have every single thing, but having some kind of on-screen text, that's not even just me speaking right now, but on-screen text saying, this is how you do captions on a video. That's something that I could put for this video right now, but you also could put that on your video talking about a job site, newest deck project, day 1 demo, and then day 2, putting up the flooring, putting up the joist. And the thing is, most people are getting started in the contractor space with video content, with social media, don't put these captions. But just doing those captions alone will make you look that much more professional. And in today's busy world of social media, today's busy world of so many businesses doing the same service, that's one simple way that you can differentiate yourself from every other contractor out there. So let's do a quick recap of what those 3 things are that you can start doing today to grow your business. Number 1, show yourself and the crew on site, or even not on site, but start showing them more on social media. Number 2, post before and after pictures, not just of the work done, but even the job site. And number 3, caption your videos, because there are so many silent scrollers out there watching your content and really not watching it because you don't have those captions. If you follow these 3 posting rules, you'll become instantly more professional, and you'll get more work coming in your pipeline than you would if you are just posting sporadically or not at all on social media. And so if you would like some help actually building out a system like this, having a team where you can just film, take pictures, and not have to worry about posting, captioning, editing, anything like that, our team at RefinedVA can help you. Just comment rules below and I'll send you more details on what it looks like to work with us on your social media content.